Okay, we're back at it. Another quick little item that you can make. And you know what? You can use these and make a deconstructed dessert. So if you have these little cinnamon, brown sugar, I don't know, mini cinnamon buns, and you put them with some strawberries and some cream or some ice cream, you could create a little dessert. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to roll out your pastry into a rectangle, whatever size you want to make, how much you want to make. You're going to take butter or margarine, and just like our cinnamon buns, if you watch that video, you're going to put that butter onto here. Do not skimp. It makes it just that much yummier.
Low calorie, totally.
Yeah, so as many calories as you assign to it. So, save this one. Okay. So, we've got the butter on there. The next thing is you mix some cinnamon and some sugar together and sprinkle that across. Now, what I didn't put out here today is some cardamom, and you can add that to this as well, or some allspice. Cardamom is from the ginger family from South India.
Beautiful spice.
So it just gives it another flavor. Don't overuse it because then it kind of is too overwhelming.
Yeah,
kind of an acidity.
A little goes a long way.
Yeah, but you could sprinkle that on it, which just make a more complex taste. So I have just taken this and spread the cinnamon sugar all over, and that's what's going to give you a taste. But what's going to give you the nice gooiness is if you took some brown sugar and put that on there, and that's what makes it just a little more gooey, I guess. And that's the one I don't think I would scrimp too much on because it just adds to the whole process. Okay,
looks
so
good.
All of the ingredients are on there, just the butter, the cinnamon sugar, and the brown sugar, and if you have some cardamom or some allspice, put that on. So now what you're going to do is you're going to roll, and unlike some of the ones Monique has done for examples, you want to roll this tightly. So the tighter you can get it, the better it is. And you're going to roll it halfway.
Because then you get that cute little double swirly thing.
Yeah, and the tighter that is, it's just better that way. So we're going to go halfway.
Okay.
And then we're going to go from the other side, and we're going to roll it to the center.
You can smell the cinnamon. You can smell the sugars.
Like something to have with your coffee in the morning, right?
Really good.
So once you get it you've got the two halves together, they're going to meet. What I need you to do then is to take some water, and as we say before, it's like your glue.
Like our glue.
So you just wet where they're going to meet. You're going to put them together. And then what you should do is you should put this in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. And that will just firm up your pastry. And then all you're going to do is you are going to cut about 1 to 2 centimeters. And you are going to get these little pinwheels. And you put them, you do not need to spray the pan because the pastry has enough lard in it that it will
prevent
come off.
sticking.
Yeah, those are the words I wanted to say. Put it in your oven at about 350, 360 degrees for about 15, 20 minutes till it's golden brown. And this is what you'll come up with. So
perfect.
Easy, always have. So
easy peasy, yummy.
Easy peasy, yummy. Make sure you've got Fifendekel frozen pastry in your freezer.